Highlight. So this is a stencil. So the stencil is going to be with respect to an aluminium sheet. Here A4 size stencil we can make. This stencil can be obtained from the Gerber file where we give it to the manufacturer or the vendor. So from which different types of boards what we are going to design. So the circuit is going to be laid. So you can see some dots over the stencil. So these dots where we are going to have the connection between the components. So under SMT technology, the first step is going to be with the stencil printing, and this is for the different ICs. So you can see the pin holes, how it is closer. So for ICs, and if it is for a complex IC, how the pins are closely spaced. This cannot be done through a through-hole technology, and where we go with some breadboard kind of things. If 64 pins or 128 pins are going to be there for an IC, only by means of SMT we can do this stencil printing, followed by connecting the components. So how reliable as well as how accurate and precise it would be. SMT stencil printing machine, so where we purchase from the Intro technology. So it is going to have a dimension of 540 cross 370 cross 350 mm with a PCB size of 250 by 400 mm. So everything is going to be in the mm scale. So how it would be, how the feature size would be, and what would be the printing speed with the manual control we can make. And also the PCB thickness also matters. Whenever we are taking the board, the thickness of the board also has to be considered. So the thickness where it can be. Now it is for 0 to 80 mm, and also we have a weight of this particular machine. It is going to be 35 kg. So the model, it is ETS 3040. So this is a board where multiple boards we can have, multiple designs you can make, because SMT is going to be a reliable technology where more compact size and as well as how we are going to lay the components, everything matters. So here we are having this 3x3, so in a matrix form where we can print antenna boards, or it can be with any biomedical kind of boards we can make.